Hey, you're right, Court. Step over there in the corner. You understand me?
Load
You're
that.
going to get detained in cuffs. You step any
For what?
closer.
For what?
You didn't see the law that was passed?
It's not passed yet. What's your name and your badge number?
I don't need it.
Actually, it's part of your policy.
Nah, it's not actually.
Actually, it is, bro. I can't wait to post it on this video. So why are you freaking out then?
I'm not freaking out.
You did. You came up and you put your hands on
You're
me.
standing off my
Why did you push me?
I'm telling you to step back. You're following a command.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
Says who?
Because from me.
Who are you to tell me?
Not to stand on the passenger door of my
What law is that? You're out here enforcing laws. You don't have any grounds to say or tell me anything unless I'm breaking the
No
law.
longer arguing with you. Step back before I stop, dude.
I don't understand it. I got this one going, you know.
Hey, you're right, Court. Step over there in the corner. You understand me?
Load.
You're right, Court. Step over there in the corner. You understand me?
Load, dude.
You're right, Court.
Hey,
Step
don't
back
touch
over
me,
there.
dude. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You can't
Step
come
back.
up and touch
you
me.
can go over there.
Call your
and record.
supervisor.
I ain't
What's your
calling
name and your
anybody.
badge number?
Go step over there and
What's your
record.
name and your badge number?
McIlvain 9066. Step over
How do
there.
you spell that? How do you spell
Stay
that?
on the corner.
How do you spell
Stand
that?
for a stop.
How do you spell that?
You're going to get detained in cuffs. You step any
For what?
closer.
For what?
You didn't see the law that was passed?
It's not passed yet, dummy. You're gonna make a mistake. It ain't going into effect till
back.
next month.
Step back.
Or what? Or what? How do you spell your name? My buddy just caught you pushing your hands on me. How do you
That's
spell your
fine.
name? Call your supervisor.
I ain't calling anybody.
Oh, you're not gonna call your supervisor?
If you want to phone a complaint, go ahead and do so. But you can stand over there and film. That's fine.
Is that right? Call a supervisor.
You can call it a complaint if you feel like you want to.
Yeah, I want to put a complaint in right now. Call a supervisor.
Call one on your own.
Got another one coming over here. Is this a supervisor? Hey, are you a supervisor? Can you call one, please?
That's their stop, man.
So what? You're gonna arrest me for a law that's not even into effect yet. That's how dumb you are.
Well, It's the fact that you're standing off my partner's door.
It's not illegal.
You can stand on the record all
It's
you
not
want.
illegal. I can record right there.
Call and complain then.
You're Officer Big Papa and the boys, right? You're the Big Papa here, right? Fucking clown, dude. What's your name and your badge number?
I don't need it.
Actually, it's part of your policy.
Nah, it's not actually.
Actually, it is, bro. I can't wait to post it on this video. So you're not working in an undercover capacity because it says police right here, so you have to identify when a member of the public asks you.
I don't.
You don't? Are you Phoenix? Is this Phoenix or Gilbert or Glendale police?
Phoenix or Gilbert?
Yeah, I don't even know where I am. Am I in Phoenix or Glendale?
Oh, man, you're right.
Yeah, well. You want to give me a flex, show how superior you are over me? Come on. Disseminating information on that computer screen is also a policy violation. I know the confused look on your face.
Good man, keep your policy.
Huh?
For us one day.
Yeah. Do you usually pee on yourself when you have a gun on your hip?
What's that?
I said, do you usually pee on yourself? Is that something you usually do when there's somebody with a camera around?
No, why?
Because you peed on yourself.
Think so?
You don't think that's assault right there? You can't come up and put your hands on me. You're lucky I didn't defend myself,
Oh,
dude.
really?
Yeah.
Do that, huh?
Do you know what, dude? This is a stand your ground state. I'm not detained or under arrest. I'm out in public on a public sidewalk. You put your hands on me. Are you under the influence of any drugs right now? Have you been drinking?
What are the good questions you got for us?
Huh?
What are the good questions you got for us?
Have you been drinking? You seem like you're under the influence of something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure, man.
you do. You seem very nervous.
So,
Are you afraid? Are you afraid of me? Are you afraid of me?
why?
Why? You're kind of slurring your words. Are you sure you haven't been drinking?
Think so?
You think so? Oh, man.
Anything else better to do with your time?
No, I get paid to do this.
Film us on travel stop. Someone's compliant. We're just talking with, having a conversation with.
So why are you freaking out then?
I'm not freaking out.
You did. You came up and you put your hands on
you're
me.
standing around my
Why
person's
did you
door.
push me?
I'm telling you, step back. You're following a command.
I don't have to.
Yes, you
Says who?
do. Because from me.
Who are you to tell me?
Not to stand on the passenger door of my
What law is that? You're out here enforcing laws. You don't have any grounds to say or tell me anything unless I'm breaking the
No
law.
longer arguing with you.
What law am I breaking?
Go ahead, call a complaint if you feel
What law?
anything necessary.
What law?
I'm not going to argue with you.
Because you don't know. You're
Because
stupid.
it's a waste of breath.
You're stupid. No, you're just stupid.
Tell
If
me
you knew what
law.
you were talking about, you would say the law. There is no law. That's why I'm asking you, dumbass. You're literally that dumb. You're a cop that doesn't even know what kind of law you're going to enforce.
Right, I'm done for even
You're-
speaking to you.
You can just come up and put your hands on me and do whatever you want, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, you're a fucking moron. He says he can put his hands on me for whatever he wants. You're a dumbass, huh? Oh, I know. I mean, at the end of the day. Right. I know. This is one of the dumbasses that's not going to understand that it's from that guy over there I have to stay 8 foot from. He's so stupid, he thinks he can arrest me on a sidewalk. He's quoting laws that aren't even on the books yet. That's how fucking dumb he is. Fucking dumb he is. Huh? Oh, I know. Dude, I already know. 8 foot. I was 8 foot away from the vehicle, you stupid fuck. Stupid. I know so, yeah. If I fall forward and put my arm out, that's 8 foot, stupid. I couldn't have touched the truck. Okay, buddy. Do you have your high school diploma, or did you just get a GED to become a cop? Do you beat your wife like the news says 40% of cops do? Or your boyfriend? Do you beat your boyfriend? Officer Big Papa beats his boyfriend. Officer Big Papa and the boys right here. You want to be, keep saying okay, like you don't think you're going to get in any trouble. Keep it up. Tell me you're not going to get in any trouble.
I'm not going to get in trouble.
I love it, dude. He's got little man syndrome. His head don't even go over the top of that vehicle, so he's got to act like that to compensate. Becoming a cop was part of that. This is how you compensate for being a little man your whole life, right? Is you become a cop. You are a pathetic excuse for a human being and a police officer. You bring shame to the badge and the department. Nobody respects people like you. You are the reason that every Phoenix police officer feels like they have to look over their back. It's because of scumbag cops like you that think you can treat the public however you want. You're a piece, bro. So you don't even know what law you're gonna enforce. Your best bet is to stop talking because the internet is gonna fucking love you, dude. You are that dumb, the internet's gonna love you. Your face everywhere, everywhere. How much you make, your first, your last name, everything, buddy. Everything. You do care, but see, it's when somebody in your personal life comes up to you and says, I saw an ass on YouTube, that's when you're gonna care. That's when you're gonna care. But you probably don't have any friends, right?
Yeah, no friends.
No friends. Do you kick your dog when you go home? Do you have a dog? He's so triggered right now, he wishes he could do something. Don't you? You wish you could bust a grape right now, huh? You're such a... You're looking for any reason. This is the gang unit. If he's treating some dude like this with a camera, imagine how he treats people that aren't recording him. I bet you got some use of force reports on you, right? Are you under any investigations right now? Are you being sued right now? Are you in any trouble with the department? You're gonna know my name. I'm gonna live rent-free in your head for the rest of your career.
All right, man, be safe. Jesus loves you. God bless.
The guy over here, though, you should talk to him.
You're pathetic, dude.
Thanks for being cool, but the guy in the back, he did assault me. Ran right up on him and assaulted him, man.
Hey, I want a supervisor here. Are you guys not gonna call a supervisor? This dude pushed. So what, dude? I'm telling you, it's your duty to intervene. You guys are under investigation. Are you serious?
At me the whole time, dude. You can call and make a complaint.
So
like,
what?
Dude, if you want to
So
talk to
what?
me, then I'll
Are
have
you
a conversation with you.
We're talking
No,
right now.
We're not, dude.
We're talking right now.
Cussing at me.
I'm not
Yeah,
cussing anymore.
I'm done, dude.
You're done?
I'm totally done.
I need a
There's
supervisor.
no reason
So
that-
you're not gonna do anything about the assault that just happened.
Call 911, bro.
What's
Have
your
a
name and
good
your badge
night.
number?
Have a good night.
What's your name?
dude.
You're gonna refuse to
Have a good
identify?
night.
That's
Dude,
against your
there's no
policy.
reason. There's no
You have
reason
to. It's
no.
against your
You have
policy.
no reason to come up to
Dude,
talk.
both of you little. Go yourself. Go each
Have
other
a good
now.
night.
Go find a
All
dark alley. Each other.
Okay. And that's exactly why.
Yeah, that's
Go make
exactly
them
why.
think.
That's exactly why people hate you, is because of people like him.
Because you're violating-
Dude, go off and get lost. Shut up, you. Hey, man. Hey, let me talk to you real quick. Can I talk to you? Are you cool with us talking to you?